Now, I know that there are real issues involved with what we call PIP. PIP is personal injury protection benefits. And what a lot of people don't realize is that when you're in a motor vehicle accident, in many circumstances, you don't take out your health insurance card, you take out your auto or motorcycle insurance card.
That's correct. PIP is almost your health insurance through your motor vehicle insurance.
Okay.
The problem with motorcycles is they don't write PIP for motorcycle policies.
Okay.
So if you're involved in that accident, it will naturally divert back to your personal health insurance if you have it.
Okay.
God forbid you don't have it.
Now you're in trouble.
Exactly. But what we're also seeing now is, and we're seeing this with a vast majority of our clients, is that your individual health insurance policy that you may get through work or you can get through any other option you pay out of pocket, they actually have disclaimers and riders that will not cover you if you are involved in a motorcycle accident.
Wow, that you know what? A lot of times in these shows, I know all the answers to the questions asked. I didn't know that. So what you're saying is that if you're going to ride a motorcycle, you better go look at your health insurance and make sure your health insurance covers you, or stated differently, it doesn't have what we call an exclusion.
And that's exactly. The health insurance policies that we get, well, they're 60, 70, 80 pages, but there's that one line that will exclude the motorcycle accident. And if that's the case, they will say we are not covering the injuries you sustained as a result of that motor vehicle accident, even if it's not your fault.
Wow. All right, so let's carry this out, right? You're riding around in a $15,000 policy because you didn't watch In the Public Interest and listen to Domenic.
Exactly.
You didn't check to see that your health insurance has an exclusion for motorcycles. You get badly injured, not even horribly injured, but badly injured in a motorcycle accident. You don't even have coverage for your medical care.
That's exactly it. I mean, you could, if you even, let's just say a fracture of the forearm that requires some surgery, and you do a little therapy, and you're okay. So you actually get out of the accident fairly decent shape. You're on the hook for those bills.
And that
so
could
you may be the one filing bankruptcy.
Right. And this is all for an accident caused by someone else, because what if that other driver had the same $15,000 policy?
Exactly.
Okay.
So the max you're going to get out of that, now obviously there's always exceptions, but most of the time you're just going to see a $15,000 recovery as a result of whatever motorcycle accident you were involved in.
So if you have $30,000 in wage loss, you're still getting the 15, and then $50,000 in medical bills, you're in trouble, even if you physically recover.
Even if you physically recover, and even if you go back to that, I have the health insurance. Well, you do, correct, but not for this accident now.
Okay, so all right, so the takeaway is real simple. If you're going to ride a motorcycle, take a look at your health insurance. That's critical, right?
That's exactly it. Exactly it.
All right, and you want to look at it, and really what you want to do is, instead of maybe reading all those pages, there's always a number you can call, and you can find out. If you own your own business, it's easier. Maybe you could switch companies. Is there a fix where you can somehow buy some kind of special insurance that would give you PIP benefits for a motorcycle, or it doesn't exist?
They do not write PIP benefits for motorcycles. At all.
Okay. So that means that if you're going to ride a motorcycle, you really have to think about what's covered in your health insurance.
Exactly. And unfortunately, it's these people with the passion that still want to ride, but that has to be a consideration, is if you have that family, you have the wife at home with 2 little ones, and you only have the 15 policy, and your medical insurance through work has an exclusion for motorcycle accidents, you really are in a position where it's going to be a tough decision.